Hello, this is Kevin with Earthway Experience, and today we're doing something that we haven't done here before. We're going to do an unboxing. Huh. We are selling soap molds, as you know, at the Earthway shop, both at Etsy and on the Earthway website. And I contacted our supplier, and they were so kind to send us one of these soap molds with a cutter. So we're gonna open this up here real quick. As you see, I really haven't opened this before. It's been sitting on my desk until I got a part for using my camera, my Nikon here for my photography camera for video now. So here is our installation instructions. We'll need that. I'll have to run and get a screwdriver here. A little styrofoam. In Romanian they call this artificial snow. That's actually the word for it. Artificial snow. Here's the cutters and some spacers, it look like. And this is the cutter itself. Feels quite nice. Very nice. Very nice. And I was wondering about the soap mold. The wooden box is pre-made. I was thinking that we were gonna have to do a little assembly here. And we'll see what this stuff is here and that, and let's go ahead and get rid of that and make some space here. There we go, Kevin. So this is about a 900 gram soap mold. I have several, maybe they're about 1,000 grams, a little bit bigger, but this is a nice mold there. A little lid for keeping the dirt out after you make it looks like. Nice. So we have a smooth cutter. So we would put the, we'll see this here in just a few days. We'll put the bar in there and just plonk, plonk, plonk. And if we want a wavy surface, that's actually kind of nice. I like that. I'm gonna want to try that. So here we are. We have all of our tools and our instructions, and now we have a screwdriver. So basically, from what I understand here, we're going to put the bevel planer aiming down, so that then when we want to smooth our soap, we do it on this surface here. So for right now, I'm gonna mount it so that the screws are kind of flush on there, just so we don't. So we're gonna just set it like that, right? And he gave us some washers, and we'll need our own screwdriver. Well, just to keep a screwdriver handy, I guess, when we're going to be using this in the future. And this is quite a nice idea here. We're going to be able to have our long soap bar, you could say, is going to slide in here. And then we can, we set a stop for how thick we want the soap. So I think that's a really nice way they did it. It's so we're gonna have to kind of look at this when we get our soap out and do a little bit of adjusting. But for quite nice. Alright, and last but not least, they gave us some little foam feet here. That screw was a little loose there. It's alright, we all have a loose screw, don't we? So this is quite a handy little package. I think it's going to make some very fine soap. And yeah, if you're interested and you'd like one of your own, check out Etsy, the Earthway Shop. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in just a couple of days. We're going to make a batch of soap. We're going to put it in here, and then we're going to cut it. So, thank you for watching.